Okay, good afternoon. Welcome back. We are still here at Bernama Mobile Studio, and down here right now we got our Director General of MET Malaysia. We have Dr. Mohd Hisham Mohd Anip, and thank you, Doctor, for being here with us.
You are welcome.
Okay, Doctor, as the Director General of the Malaysian Meteorological Department, or MET Malaysia, we call it.
Okay.
Could you please start by sharing MET Malaysia core responsibilities in safeguarding the nations and also monitoring the weather and also climate risk?
So, okay, when we talk about what we call it, the disaster, when it comes to disaster related to weather, earthquake, then no other agencies in Malaysia involved. The only sole agency you can say that involved or responsible for this kind of thing is only MET Malaysia.
Okay.
So, MET Malaysia, I think all the public outside, they are aware that our responsibility is to provide them with the information of weather or earthquake activity, and also warning if there is, we expect some extreme disaster coming, approach throughout the country. So, so when it comes to what we call it warning, extreme weather is close to everybody's heart, I think. When it comes to northeast monsoon season, rainy season, which is toward the end of the year and early of the next year. So people will always look on our warning. Because what? Because it's going to be a very big disaster, big flood that can cause what we call it, the inconvenience to the public.
Okay.
So, but now it seems that the focus is more on the earthquake because of recent recent event.
I mean, people are worried, sir.
Yeah. So even ourselves also worried because when it comes to earthquake, we don't know actually when it's going to happen. So there is no technology at this moment that can predict earthquake event earlier.
Okay.
So that's why we don't have the early warning system for earthquake actually.
Okay.
We don't have that. So
except for the Richter scale, or
Richter scale is a scale that use the scale we use, we call it magnitude. Magnitude is more on the energy released by the earthquake event.
Okay.
So the Richter scale is a kind different formula.
Okay.
Richter scale used to be old-timer thing.
Okay.
But now all over the world is using magnitude scale. Yeah.
Okay.
So let me continue with my the what we call it, the early warnings for Malaysia. So what we have now is the weather, as I mentioned earlier, and also the what we call it, the tsunami early warning.
Okay.
So because tsunami, something that we can see, like weather approaching our country from outside our region toward the country, then we can give warning. So like tsunami also is the same thing.
Okay.
When earthquake happen over the ocean, so it will trigger the wave, so that we call tsunami. So when it happen outside our region over the ocean, and after a few hours it will reach our country, that one the model can predict that.
Okay.
So that's why we have early warning system for tsunami as well. So but earthquake, no.
Okay, it's a big no-no, yeah. Okay, so sir, we are witnessing more extreme weather event worldwide. So does this affecting Malaysia weather patterns in recent years, and what trends are we observing actually?
So okay, when we talk about extreme weather event, normally people will relate it with global warming or climate change. So based on our observation so far, it seems that the global warming is not only happen outside our country, not only within our country, but it's happening globally.
Okay.
So based on our observation, especially on the temperature, is rising tremendously. Very, what we call it, very rapid increase in term of the temperature. We used to have about less than 1 degree, maybe 50 years ago. The mean temperature of our nation is about 27 something Celsius, but now it has increased to 28 something.
That's a lot.
Yeah, it's about 1 degree. But the significant increase you can see in the urban area, not the rural area. Rural area like Sabah, Sarawak is not that significant. But for the urban area like Kuala Lumpur, Penang, as well as in Johor, the increase in temperature is higher, much higher than the one than our national mean increase of temperature.
So does Met Malaysia know the reason why the increasing of this?
So when it comes to why, there are two opinions actually. One is based. There are two parties in this case. One party they said it is natural. It's happened naturally. So, but another party said this is due to the human intervention or anthropogenic. So when it comes to human intervention, it means that all our activities, all the gases, everything that is the reason based on the monitoring of the gases. Some gases that is considered as the what we call greenhouse gases, which kept the heat in the atmosphere is increasing. Because of that, so the atmosphere become warmer. So there is a relationship between the increase in temperature and increase in the greenhouse gases. So the relation is due to, if we talk about the anthropogenic, but when it comes to natural, there are a lot of natural causes that can cause this climate change.
We as well in Malaysia witness wildfire, not as heavy as it is in America or in the middle region.
It's a small scale wildfire.
Could you please share with us, Doctor, the finding or outcomes from the presentation on Southeast Asia fire danger rating system?
So, fire danger rating system, in short FDRS. Actually, this is a system to give us the idea whether it's going to cause a fire or not in certain area, especially forest area or peatland area. So, we started this to develop this system actually long time ago. Because of Asian. Because in 80s, 90s, we have a lot of haze event occur during that time, mostly due to El Nino event. So there were 2 cases during those days in 80s and 90s. We call it super El Nino. Meaning that the area of our region is really dry. So because of that, we have a problem with this haze situation. And during the ASEAN meeting, they discuss and decide what thing that we can do to help to prevent this kind of thing. So I think they assigned Malaysia to study, and what we have, we study from other countries. So we found this FDRS system operated by the Canadian Forestry Service. So we asked their help, and they're willing to help us. So they came here during those days before I think year 2000. They came to the study, and after very, what we call it, very comprehensive study being done in Asian region. So they come out with the FDRS for Malaysia, for ASEAN. So it started in 2003. It first operate the FDRS system. So it began with only, I think, less than hundreds observation stations. So now, after more than 20 years, the thing evolved. It used to be done manually, FDRS system. So now we have, after a few generation of upgrading, so we have the automatic FDRS now.
Okay.
With almost 500 stations involved.
Okay.
It used to be around 100 when we first started it in early 2000. But after 20 years, the number of stations involved to monitor, give the information is getting more, and almost 500 stations now.
Okay.
So last time, the FDRS just based on the observation on the day itself, on the day and few days before. So with the current technology, we have what model that can forecast up to 7 days ahead.
Okay.
So we blend this system FDRS and also this model. So now we have the FDRS together with a forecast for 7 days ahead.
Okay.
So that is the evolution of the system from the manual type of system into now is the automated. Yeah.
So it is developed by Malaysian.
It's not developed by Malaysia. We what we call it, we take the system from Canada.
Okay.
So we learn from them. So we what we call it, we try to adopt to our region
and make better.
Make better. So now Malaysia is considered as the operator of the FDRS for Asian country.
Okay. So meaning that FDRS is being used not only in Malaysia.
Not only in Malaysia, but also all the Asian countries, 10 Asian countries.
Okay. So moreover than 500 monitoring stations.
So that one is the, what we call it, the weather stations.
Okay.
Throughout the ASEAN.
ASEAN nation.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. So how this is gonna help addressing Wi-Fi risk in Malaysia and across the region? How is it gonna help?
So okay, fire danger rating system. What are the rating there? It's actually the rating comes from the possibility of those area, certain area that is possible to get this forest fire. So we need the information of the temperature, the air, whether it's dry air or whatever, the wind. So with all that information go into the system, so it will give you the area that is, whether the area is safe from having this forest fire, or is going to be prone to forest fire.
Okay.
So it has been used, I think, extensively over the Mekong area.
Okay.
Mekong area, which involve Thailand, Cambodia, Laos, that area, they're using it, I think, a lot. But as for Malaysia, since we don't have large area actually, so the usage is only confined to a few agencies, like Bomba. What else other than Bomba is forestry department. And also NATMA, and also Jabatan Sekitar, DOE, Department of Environment.
Okay.
So as for Indonesia, also have a problem with this forest fire. So during the hazy season, so they rely on this FDRS forecast to make sure that they will be ready about this, what is going to happen. Yeah, in the next 7 days when it comes to during dry season period. Yes.
So what are the hottest spot in Asian region? If it is, you can share with us.
What
the hottest spot?
The hottest spot, you mean in Malaysia?
In Malaysia or ASEAN country?
In ASEAN, definitely over the Indo-China part, the Mekong area.
Okay. Oh, okay. Because, the one that you were telling earlier.
Yes. That's why during the early of the year season is very dry. That's why it's burning a lot of places over
Possibility of burning.
Yeah, but over Malaysia, the hottest place is normally over the northern states of Peninsula.
Okay.
Yeah, mostly that area.
People are telling me that Negeri Sembilan is one of the hottest state in Malaysia.
Depends on which area. I think maybe maybe the urban area.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
not the rural
You're not
area.
feeling hot here, aren't you? No. Okay,
But for your information, we so far the hottest, the highest temperature ever recorded in Malaysia is in Chuping.
Chuping, Perak.
Chuping, not Chuping, Perlis.
Perlis. Oh,
Yeah,
sorry. Chuping,
40.1
Perlis, sorry.
degree. That one happened during this Super El Nino year.
Okay, okay.
Is it in 1998? Yeah, in April 1998.
That was the hottest
The
ever recorded.
hottest ever recorded at our observation station.
Okay.
Yeah. During those days, the number of stations we have is not that many.
I think without Met Malaysia, we are in a huge trouble of predicting a lot of things. I think.
Yeah. Sure. But I know when it comes to weather prediction, people always say that it's questionable.
It's questionable.
It's questionable.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's correct, sometimes it's not. But we based on our knowledge, our scientific knowledge, definitely we need to give something to the public.
Yeah, I mean the department only trying to help.
Yeah,
and
we do
that's
our
what-
best.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
That is why it is called prediction. Though.
Yes,
But
correct.
anyway, sir, thank you. I would like to say thank you to Dr. Mohd Hisham Mohd Anip, Director General of Med Malaysia. Thank you, sir, for being here with us.
Okay, welcome. Thank you to Bernama as well.
So we're gonna come back in a short while. We're gonna have more interviews like this. Stay tuned to our mobile studio. We're gonna come back. See you in a short while.